Everyone, this is Keisha Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin the reaction video, ang Beanie Funny Moments. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Sige nga, tingnan nga natin to. Anong chika dito? Ay, gagi. Uy, ang sama nyo. Ang sama nyo. Sino tong gumawa ng video? Si may kaya. May kaya ang gumawa ng video. Ang sama.
Pinapakita si Shiba, pinapakita mo na. Dali na! Dali na!
Ay,
Ay,
bakit ayaw niya?
Tigo.
Ay, bakit ayaw niya?
Yung ganun lang.
Ay, wait. May kukunin lang ako. Okay. Ang cute ng lips ni Sheena.
Sabi ko sa front view.
Vicks to ah. Lagay mo na tayo ng Vicks.
Anyway, thank you po sa Grammy.
Anyways.
Yeah, thank you sa Grammy and Rolling Stone Korea feature. Woo!
Ano yung Gami? Sponsor.
Sa plastic balloon. Big deal yan. May sasabihin si Aya. It's a big deal. Thank you. Oh, grabe no guys. Na-feature tayo sa Grammy. Thank you po.
Na-feature sila sa Grammys. Okay.
Kasi may ganap tayo na nung sinabi, tapos biglang book siya nakita nga na.
Totoy.
Tsaka knowing na parang tayo nga rin Filipino group, so parang sobrang hindi, sinasabi ko lang.
Hindi.
Recognize natin kasi it's really a big deal.
True.
4 AM daw dun sa Canada. 4 AM pa po kayo. Or maaga ba kayo? Or patulog pa lang. Patulog pa. Oo.
Si Maloy, grabe din.
Ang ganda.
Oh, hindi si Maloy eh, no?
Ang ganda. And to match with that, sorry!
Yung panty niya. Yan, napanood ko to. Yung panty niya.
Para alam nila na, oh my, expensive ng panty ni Aya.
Expensive.
Hindi basta-basta.
Hindi basta-basta. Akin nga may heart.
I did not get one. I got two. Oh!
Ang dami yung panty. Ang dami yung panty. Si Mika, parang liit kasi. Ang liit. Bakit may design? Ay, meron din siya. Parang siya. Mas makapal pa yung kilid. Oh my God, ang lipis. I'm 18.
Fun fact kay Ate Aya, humihina po yung boses niya. Like, alam niyo po ba?
Oo nga no, napansin ko din yan kay Aya.
Kaya kami, palapit ng palapit. Habang
Oo, napansin ko din yan kay Aya. Pahina ng pahina. Ayan.
Right? Like, when I go to the mall, like, I went to... So when you listen to her, like... Yeah, so that I can magnet everyone. Just like that. That's the fun part.
Alam, may rambutan, oh. Lychee daw. Rambutan to sa amin.
Yung lamig tumutusok sa aking organs.
Ano ba alam na dati akong packer?
Oh, you're a mother packer na nga now.
Ang tagal po ng biyahe. Hindi ko na-expect. Kasi di ba, pag narinig mo yung Las Vegas, Los Angeles, sabi parang magkalapit lang sa parehong L.
Ba't gusto ko tayo manood ng kanilang vlog? Eh. Ay, yung bacon. Yan ba yung bacon? Nakita ko yun sa Mika Con yung moments.
Makita mo yung
so good that I finish it bone to bone.
Bong to go. What food is blessed? Hollywood. Hollywood.
Running fever in this very small cage.
Smoky.
We're gonna perform outside.
Ah, mag-basking sila.
ubus ng English ko.
Ubus-
So amazing! The pigeons is flying
So amazing. Yun na talaga yung chika niya. So amazing. Yun na lang talaga yung chika niya.
Sa gilid, so kailangan mas magaling kami sa kanya. Mona, we discovered here in LA, so let's go. Kakapala ko na yung mukha ko. I'm not Sheena. I'm not Sheena today.
I'm not Sheena din. Ah, yeah. Together with BGYO. Yung isa doon, the actor ata yun.
Go, mates.
Ano gagawin nila?
Can I see?
Ah, yung gagayahin nila. Gagayahin nila. Meme ba yan?
Mika bias. Your bias is Mika.
Gandang meme.
Gandang meme. Gagayahin nila yung meme.
I'll find a better meme.
I just do this a lot when I make mistakes.
Ah,
Ganda ng meme na.
go Beb.
I wanna see it first before.
Ha? Ang tabay? Ang tabay? Si Gwen. I miss Gwen.
Gamit ko pa rin yan eh.
I love your facial
I use that a
expression
lot.
there, Gwen.
So this is one of our wish bus. San ba to? BGC? In the Philippines. The gig. Yes, and I actually can't remember anymore.
Uy, parang gusto ko din gawa yung wish bus, mga performances nila. In fact,
Suddenly shouted like
Your name.
suddenly it's magic. Ganon. Ganon pag Gwen.
story.
Yung totoo.
Hindi pala.
I don't really remember.
I don't really remember.
Yeah, but no, sa live stream.
Yeah, I think, I'm on a live stream here and it's either I was copying the
The
Beanie
Beanie
members'
Mannerism.
mannerisms or I was confused what the Bloom sent me. Yeah.
Mine is this. I remember this. I posted this on Twitter.
That's not even a meme.
And yeah, it's not a meme. I just said that. I just said that. Thank you, Blooms. I'm so grateful like that. Yeah.
So bash pa siya.
No, I know that one.
I don't remember
Okay.
I'm so grateful like that.
What's in that
You had
photo?
a recording
studio.
recording carrera.
Recording studio.
No. We're at a recording studio. We're recording for Tala Arawan. Well, I forgot the song, but we're doing something on the iPad.
Karaoke behind.
Yeah. And then I was doing something on the tab, and then you're looking at me like that.
You're looking like that. You're looking like that.
No, I posted this as a greeting for your birthday. Yeah, mine is
Birthday greetings. Ayan na. Yan yung meme. Yan yung meme.
this is from Inside Out, and they call me Anger all
Inside.
the time
Because you're always mad.
yeah, I'm always
That's her.
yeah, that's me.
That's just what's your
Yo, I know that's right.
Anger.
go.
Oh my god, I want that.
Yeah, this is my alter ego.
Alter ego.
Everyone, US, Blooms, are you ready for this? This is
Oh my
Sean.
God, early in the morning.
Meet Sean.
Sean.
No, because I was also live streaming that time and like I didn't know what to do. So I said, at 100K.
Diamonds.
No! There's no diamonds. I just covered the camera. Like they were so confused. What's happening? And when I opened, may na background music na. I was like that to the
That was
camera.
early. This live is early in the morning, and she knocked on my door. I knocked on my
Can I
door at the.
borrow?
No! Niligawan. I was courting her because the Blooms told me
I
to
just
court
woke
her.
up. She had this teddy bear.
Chocolate.
Okay.
Ate Colette.
This look.
Yeah, that's Sean.
Can I have that?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm curious what's
Anyway, ano ba to? Funny moment. Ba't hindi naman to funny moment? Di totoo. Okay.
Hi, Bini ulit.
Ang mga messages nila.
Oh, iwan ka ha.
What can you say to me? Thank you po. Pero, 8 po kami kumanta ng karera.
Kami kumanta ng kababa. Ay, tapos na. Alright, there you go guys. So this is our for today's video, which is the Beanie Funny Moments. This is KJ Vlogs, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!